I survived my first St. Paddy's Day, and it was mad. Absolutely mad. Video over there. Like, Dublin is back in business. And before you ask, no, I'm not hungover. Don't know why. Just maybe still drunk. But it was a good crack and a good laugh. Parade was a bit disappointing, but the actual day it was fascinating. Anyway, today, what are we doing? Today's the last day. We've got to get out. We've got to haul my stuff and pack it all away and get out of here and go explore the city. However, I didn't realise it's like the first time they've ever done like bank holiday all the way through the weekend to make up for the 2 years they missed. So I'm not sure what's going to be open or if anything's open. And yeah, just have a little wander around the city, see the sights, basically, and then get the plane home is today's mission. Right, it's official. I am going to get a proper travel bag because this just won't do anymore. Whilst I love this bag, it is very hard to cram a load of stuff in for cold countries into here. Lisbon, it was fine because it was all hot weather, small gear, but this is just not good for colder climates. So I'm going to get a proper travel bag. Okay, and on this episode of Paul Just Bums Around a City, we are just bumming around Dublin for the day and just having a look at the sights, which are probably all shut. So, here we go. Nice montage of things to be done today. It's just a nice chill day, I could really get used to this being a lad of leisure. But now I've got to go back to work on Monday, because bills need to be paid. It's quite quiet out today, and that is because I reckon everyone's
slightly hungover from the festival yesterday.
which means basically got Dublin to quite a few people who've got up early enough to enjoy it. Currently 10:30 at the moment, and it seems like anyone who wasn't struggling too much with a hangover today is now up. There's a lot more people on the streets, which is kind of good because it's good to see that people did survive. So I did just go into the National Gallery back there. However, it's just too nice a day to be stood indoors looking at paintings when all this is out here. So I guess my time in Dublin is coming to a glorious end on this beautiful, beautiful day. And yeah, it's been a great crack. Honestly, like, St. Patrick's Day was mental. Just avoid Temple Bar, because that was heaving. And yeah, it's a really beautiful city, really lovely people, and just really fun. Just absolutely recommend it. Can't recommend it highly enough. And the Guinness is best. It's like the top notch. Much better than home, gotta say. Well, speaking of Guinness, I think I should go for one last one before we start heading home. Let's crack on. There we go. I am beaten now. I'm so tired. I've walked all the way down to the dockyards just to find out and have a look what's down here. There's so many companies I would not necessarily associate with shipping here, but still. Thank you very much, Ireland. You've been great, and I'm knackered. So let's do the plane home montage thingy. Bye! So there you go, that concludes our Dublin proportion. First time over, great crack, great laugh. Parade was a bit of a letdown, but everything else was awesome. And now I think I'm going to go home for the weekend and rehydrate. There's a lot of Guinness. Alright, hey! Woo! Oh, hello, my dear.
Where's your rat?
Oh, I gave it to an Italian.
Did you?
Yeah.